Hey you, feeling bored? Good, here's why. Boredom isn't a lack of motivation, it's your brain's way of screaming, "Yo, we need change." It's the itch that pushes you to do something, anything, to break the monotony. And guess what? That itch is the secret behind creativity, success, and breakthroughs. Think about it. Kids get bored, they start playing, exploring, and learning. Athletes feel stuck, they push harder, set new goals. Entrepreneurs, they invent life-changing stuff when they're sick of the same old routine. Boredom isn't the enemy, it's the launch pad. Let's dive into the science. Self-determination theory. Your brain craves three things. Control. Do I have a say in this? Competence. Am I good at this? Connection. Do I care about this? Bored at work? Maybe you don't feel in control, challenged or connected. Your boredom is waving a giant red flag. Something needs to change. Arousal theory. Your brain's motivation thermostat. Too little stimulation, boredom kicks in. Oh, too much. Stress overload. Your brain is constantly adjusting, pushing you to seek the just right level of challenge. The MAC model. Too easy, you're bored. Too hard, you're frustrated. Just right, boom, you're in flow. That zone where time disappears and you're fully locked in. Boredom is just a sign that your brain is searching for its next level up. So how can you turn boredom into motivation? First, reframe boredom. It's not a problem, it's a signal. Next time you're bored, don't scroll. Ask yourself, what is my boredom trying to tell me? Where am I feeling stuck? What change do I actually crave? Your boredom isn't a dead end, it's a compass. Follow it. Second, try micro goals. Start small, build momentum. Ever tell yourself, I'll do it later, and then never do it? Fix that with the 5-minute rule. Just commit to 5 minutes. That's it. Don't feel like working out? Stretch for 5 minutes. Stuck on a project? Doodle ideas for 5 minutes. Unmotivated to clean? Just do one thing. Action fuels motivation, not the other way around. Third, use boredom to boost creativity. Your brain loves downtime. That's when your best ideas hit. Take a boredom walk. No phone, just let your mind wander. Switch up your routine, new environment, new perspective. Try something weird, painting, puzzles, writing nonsense. Fun fact, Einstein had his biggest ideas when he was just staring into space. Lastly, embrace productive boredom. Not every moment needs to be jam-packed. Give your brain space to breathe. Ditch the constant distractions. Schedule empty time to think, dream, and reset. Do repetitive tasks, knitting, gardening, organizing, stuff that lets your mind wander. Your next big idea, it's waiting in the silence. Boredom isn't the enemy, it's your wake-up call. It's pushing you to grow. It's telling you to change something. It's the first step towards something amazing. So next time you're bored, don't waste it, use it. Drop a comment. What's the weirdest or most creative thing you've done out of boredom?